Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. First, we want to clean our screen. This is very important because we want to make sure the screen is clean. But before that, make sure you have a screen protector applied perfectly. If it's not applied perfectly, remove it and clean the display. But first, you want to make sure it's not going outside anywhere. Next, we're going to swipe a couple of times until the screen is clean and we get rid of any moisture and fingerprints. Now, we're going to restart the device to refresh the system. We're not going to do that the normal way. We're going to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. Oh, I disabled it. So, it's either the power button and the volume up button if you did not disable it, or it's just holding the power button and ignoring the AI assistant. Click Restart and then tap to restart again. Also, make sure you confirm it. As you guys can see now, it's restarting. So, it's either one of those. After the restart, we're going to simply enter the password. And we're going to update our software as a last resort. Press Settings. Now, click on the INFINIX Note 60 Pro right at top here. Click Check for Updates. Configurations up to date. I can double check, but if yours isn't, I recommend you update. It's very important so that you don't have any old glitches on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one.